Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and use IFTOP, interface top, on Linux. First, start by ensuring your system is updated. Next, to install IFTOP, on CentOS, you need to enable the EPEL repository. Then install it as follows. Once installation is done, you can run the IFTOP command without any arguments to view the bandwidth usage of the default interface. Without additional parameters, IFTOP will monitor all the inbound and outbound traffic on the default network interface. To monitor a different network interface, for example, ETH0, you would need to pass the interface name to the IFTOP command using the I parameter. By default, IFTOP will look up the host names associated with addresses it finds in packets. Use the following option to disable DNS lookup. Use the following option to hide the resolved port number to service names. Find out more about ICMP ping requests and bandwidth usage per interface by host. Use the following option to set the filter. Use the following option to turn off display bar graphs of traffic. Use the following option to display bandwidth rates. And if you need more information on how to use IFTOP, please refer to IFTOP's website.